everyone, in this lesson we will show you how to use the Snapshot tool. The main contents are how to output multi-view graphics and also how to output transparent background videos, just like the effect shown now. So let's get started. Go to Style3D, click Tool. The first position of the tool, click on the 3D snapshot to bring up the window. It is divided into 3 parts: image, rotate, animation, and album. Let's look at the image first. Click Add Lens. Now a front lens has been added to the window. Add a rear lens. And add left lens and right lens. In addition, there is also a quarter angle of view. And lastly, a sextile angle of view. These lens presets help us set up viewpoints quickly. During this process, here are some of the settings we need to set. We need to set a picture size, and if there is a colorway set, select colorway. Set the image size by clicking the little arrow, and you can choose a fixed picture size, such as A4. The orientation can be vertical or horizontal, depending on what you're displaying. After choosing the size of the output image, the corresponding width, height, and resolution are automatically displayed here. You can also make custom settings. The images we save directly are unrendered. At this point, you can turn the resolution up a little bit, like 600. You can add color or texture to the background. Normally, we use a transparent background. After checking transparency, all picture backgrounds will become transparent. Since we choose a transparent background, also select the PNG format that supports a transparent background. Let's look at the angle of our garment. We can fine-tune it a little bit. Then, let's take this angle right here, and we want to get a shot from this angle. So just click Add. Now we have our new shot. If you don't want this picture, we can just hit Delete. Then the photo will be gone. If you want to add back that shot, just edit it again. You can see here the 3D snapshot supports local render and cloud render. When rendering locally, its render parameters and the parameters in the rendering tool are consistent, including light, material, render time, and the values set by the render property. So the only thing that needs to be reconfigured is the picture size. Click Save Directly, prompt Save Successful, then Open File to see. Now the transparent snapshots with various angles are ready to view. Now let's look at how to make a little spin video. Open 3D Snapshot, select Rotate Animation. The default selection is Animation. For the direction, you can choose anti-clockwise or clockwise. The default duration is 8 seconds. It is measured in seconds, but you can also customize the number of turns. For example, we can increase the rotation time by 2 seconds to 10 seconds. Then you can change that number to 3, and that's 3 laps in 10 seconds. You can set the frame rate by default or customize it. It's how many frames are made up per second. The size of the rotation animation and the background image can be customized as well. Now I should really emphasize that only GIF file format can generate the rotation animation with a transparent background. Click Save Directly, and there you have it. So that's it for this video. I hope some of our tips helped you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.